Hi, I'm Susan. How are you doing today? Today I'm participating in week 2 of the 50 Stack Challenge 2, hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And this is the second 50 Stack Challenge that she's doing. We're almost done with the first 50 Stack Challenge. So this is 50 Stack Challenge 2. And we get to use whatever ephemera we want to use. And she draws a prompt that's opposites. And this week's prompt is young and old. So I've got this little girl, and then I've got this older couple. And that's what I'm going to use today. And today I'm going to try to make matchbook notebooks. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. And without further ado, let's get started. here are my finished items, and I love them. I really absolutely love them. They were so simple to do. It took no time at all, and I just used up some of my scraps. I had some scrapbooking paper, and I had some scrap paper that I just made the little notebook, and I just think they are so cute. I've got my, oops, didn't get it in there, did I? There we go. I've got my young and I've got my old. They don't have to go in the same journal, but they have a cohesion in case they do go in the same journal. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Please be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat. I have it listed in my description box down below, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too. And go ahead and check out 50 Stack Challenge while you're at it. Hashtag 50 Stack Challenge. Because those were all guest checks, but this time we get to do whatever ephemera we want to do. And so this time I did matchbooks. So I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and until next time, bye y'all.